We have tested the Peugeot 308 SW, an estate version of the 308. We drove the regular version in the summer, which had automatic parking, but now we have one with an automatic transmission.
It's only a single clutch transmission, but it works well, and it's of course very comfortable and convenient. Now the car, like the original 308, is a lot of fun to drive. The filling in the seats is very nice. The steering wheel is comically tiny, but it actually feels very well because it's so small. It's easy to drive sporty, if you like. Now the suspension, despite the fact that the car looks aggressive and sporty, it's quite soft and will not break your back. Another thing which we found quite funny is this.
You'll feel great in the 308 as the materials used are on the level of larger, luxurious cars. The shape is distinctively its own, but also clean, which means the car will still look good years later. The exterior is sporty, while the interior luxurious. There's enough space on the seats as well as in the trunk. The big plus here is the engine, a 1.6-liter diesel with 120 horsepower or 88 kilowatts. With 300 Nm of torque at 1750 RPM, it's a lively little thing. This also means that it has practically no turbo lag. Of course, it's not a racer, but it performs brilliantly as a family car while still adding a tinge of sportiness. Even more impressive is the fuel consumption. We drove the car like an everyday owner would, through cities and outside, on highways and on back roads. Average consumption, 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers.
So the blinker sound effects can be changed in the settings, which is quite funny. So if you go into the audio sound effects, you've got the polyphonic tones. Let's select the classic first. Alright, that's the classic. Nice. Now let's change it to, for example, a crystal symphony. Okay, let's change it to something less creepy, like, for example, jungle fantasy.
So you're getting a lovely car with lots of space, an abundance of extras like navigation, automatic transmission, an engine that's probably one of the best in its class, and all of that for 25,000 euros. Or you could go for the base model with the 1.6-liter diesel for just over 20,000 euros.